Good morning everyone, we are the students of class 10th and today we are going to present you ideas with Maths Project 5. We know weaving is the process of making textile by utilizing heavy threads. So in this project file we have discussed about the weaving work of two states, Meghalaya and UP.
So now I am going to tell you that what are the physical features of UP. So UP is a state in the northern India and it is the fourth largest state with an area covering 2,43,286 km square, which is equals to the 7.3% of the total population of India. Now let us see what is the agriculture of UP. So the main production of the UP's agriculture is wheat, rice, maize, gram, etc. The total agricultural land area held by UP is 0.76 hectares.
The place where the most tourist attention in UP are Taj Mahal and Ganga. What do you think what is unique about UP? Because of its situation and the river Ganga. And also have many religious and worships. And you will be immersed to see the Varanasi is a museum and architectural design.
So now I am going to tell you that what are the techniques used in weaving. So Katva is one of the most popular techniques used in weaving in Banaras, and it is one of the most complicated and laborious technique in incorporating the motifs from the Banarsi sari. Every motif has to be created separately. It is one of the most expensive technique as it requires one of the most intensive methods of weaving.
As wedding outfits, as offering to the temples or even costumes for dolls. Brocades of Banarsi finds its way into our lives. Brocades are variety of originally handcraft fabric which are characterized by the embarrassed appearance and feel achieved by the extra patterning sari threads.
We have shown in this model the weaving work of UP. So as we can see there are 7 pairs of concentric circles. We can easily see they all are similar.
The UP has over 250,000 handloom weavers, often about 110,000 handloom with natural clusters. Developed over 100 of years, the UP has largest network of expressways in India, which helps in exporting easily hand-embroidered clothes.
So now I will talk about the state of Meghalaya. Since this state doesn't have any textile industry, sericulture and weaving plays a very important role in the production of various type of fabrics. And vegetable dyes are used for coloring that are non-synthetic colors that do not harm our environment and endanger species and rich our agriculture. Now Harshil will continue.
Beautiful and intricate designing patterns woven on local made. Fabric are bleached to produce stalls, straps and traditional attire such as Jaisila and Dakamanda. The fabric are made from hand-spun bleached yarn.
Here we can see the weaving work of Meghalaya. On these borders we can see the rectangles are similar to each other and all the 13 triangles are similar as well as congruent to each other. Here are 4 yellow rhombus. We can easily see them, they are congruent and similar to each other, and the red ones are also congruent and similar to each other. But here the red ones are not congruent to the yellow ones. The yellow ones are only similar to the red ones. And here we can also use the mathematical concept of parallel lines on the borders.
So now I will tell you about the economic impact of Meghalaya by weaving. So the bustling marketplaces and workshops are the places where tourists go and buy goods that are distinctive and locally made. So now Yogita will tell you about the similarities and differences between UP and Meghalaya. So now let's talk about the similarities and differences between the culture of UP and Meghalaya. So both the states have some similarities, like both dresses are same because they wore the silk dress and women wear silk sarees and women wear golden and silver ornaments. Now there are also many differences between them, like
UP has Indo-Aryan culture with a mix of Hindu, Muslims and other religious communities. On the other hand, Meghalaya is home to several indigenous tribes like Garo, Khasi and Jaintia with distinct culture and language.
Weaving work is a little same in UP as Meghalaya, and both have a silk saree and textile, and both have a great contribution textile.
People face so many challenges during their weaving works. First one, difficulty in obtaining raw materials. Second one, unmet credit needs. Third one, power laws have harmed the handlooms. Third one, poor architecture.
Our India is full of diversity in culture. By this project, we got to know these beautiful states, Meghalaya and UP, closely without actually visiting them. In this project, we have also learned about the mathematical concepts like similar figures, concentric circles, congruent triangles, and etc. By this previous project, we have also learned about other subjects also, like social studies, science, and English, and etc. Thank you.